Oh.
I need to ask for the authorized.
So this is the latest version of Shure Camper.
To make the
Yeah.
air suspension.
Air suspension, yeah.
He get only 2 of air suspension, but doesn't.
I think this design is very clever. Yeah, very beautiful design. House feeling, but I need this camper van feeling and that you are camping somewhere. And this vehicle does, like, this is not even, this is a smaller version, right? This feels like camping. It feels like proper camping, like you're on vacation, you're camping. So this slides out electric. Have to close the door. I think Pia, once she likes it, she's not gonna leave. You're gonna stay inside, nah? I can leave you here? Okay. I'll leave you here. You can stay here. And I will go home. I will go Kaban. Yeah. Oh, wow. How it comes out. No cup. Okay, oh wow, very beautiful. This is your own. You're the owner. Very nice. Yes.
The owner เขาบอกว่าคุณเป็นเจ้าของใช่ไหม
Oh wow. And my wife Pia once, she just told me you went to Kanchanaburi. Kanchanaburi. Off road.
นี่กาญจนบุรี
Kanchanaburi, Pai, Kanchanaburi. Yeah.
รถคุณ
Yeah. It was nice.
ดีไหมคะ
ดี
Off road. Oh wow. Beautiful, nah? 4-door Mitsubishi pickup. Wow, it's very nice.
สวยมากค่ะ
And you go to and you can. Oh wow, it's nice. Oh, look at that. Wow, this
เพ
is
ราะว่า
nice.
ยังไม่ได้เอาขาลงเลยค่ะ
Wow, you have a very nice. This feels big now. How long does he have it? Long time?
No it's around is 1 month
1 month, yeah.
1 month
Yeah, this is nice.
This one the table can adjust to be the bed like
Yeah,
this
yeah.
And-
Yeah.
and
Beautiful.
he lock the sink
He locked the sink, yeah.
yes no need to close just
Yeah.
open
Just open, yeah.
just open in the long time
Yeah. Oh, and he's got the big window above the bed also. Yeah, and if this window here, you can look outside. Yeah, it's perfect to go into nature for exploring. Yeah, and if you see a vehicle that's already being used, you really get the vibe, the camping vibe, because it's people who use it. Yeah. Sawadee-krap. Very beautiful.
ที่เราตกแต่งรถก่อนนะทำบ้านดีๆผมว่ามันไม่มีปัญหา
He recommend to prepare the car ready first
Sawadee-krap.
to make the
Yeah.
air suspension.
Air suspension, yeah.
He get only 2 of air suspension, but doesn't good enough.
Yeah.
He go to the garage to make more suspension.
Yeah, bigger suspension on it.
Bigger one.
Oh, wow.
It will not comfortable before you fix it or install main this.
Yeah.
You have to prepare
Your vehicle, yeah. Wow, it's very beautiful. So this is a Mitsubishi. Very nice.
You can show your this car to outside because she want to see her car when go to White Rock.
Once you drive by? No. Oh, okay, yeah. You know what I also think, like this, like a pickup truck,
Yes.
is very safe vehicle because it's heavy. It complies with the stringent safety rules. So this is like a safe vehicle, and it's very beautiful, yeah. And you could go 4x4.
And then also when the customer install the printer in the hut,
Yes. Oh yeah. Yeah.
the mounting
Yeah. After mounting, yeah. You have a little subframe
for
here.
yes, that is very safe.
Yeah. Yeah, it's very safe, yeah. So you think you have plans of exporting these to Europe?
That's very good now if you can.
Maybe Germany?
That's good.
I think Germany is okay now. Yeah, Germany and Switzerland. And because I think pickup trucks are getting more popular in Germany and Sweden.
I hope so. It will if it's popular in Europe.
I think, yeah.
Very good.
Yes, I think so, yeah. Yeah, because nowadays more people from Europe, they want to go to Scandinavian countries. And then they need something like this. Is to have a four-wheel drive and something like this, yeah. Because they have campers like this in Europe, but very limited. And these are bigger and a little bit more luxurious. Yeah, yeah. I think it's a good market.
That's one. We install the car for test drive now. Look at it for you.
Oh, for me? Oh, thank you, yeah.
Test drive for you.
The Toyota pickup truck.
Yes.
I can test drive. Oh, thank you. We can test drive the Toyota pickup truck. Oh, thanks a lot, yeah. Wow. Yeah, looking forward, yeah. Thanks a lot. Yeah. So we will make a good test drive. So we are at Sure Camper in Thailand.
ที่ร้านกันอยู่นี่
Sawadee-krap.
สวัสดีค่ะ
So this is for the
Yes.
four-door pickup truck, like the Fordranger. Look very nice. Cozy inside. And have the big bed. And this only weigh 800 kgs, 800 kilo.
Yes, yes, it's around 8,000 kilo.
Oh,
800 kilo, sorry.
800 kilo.
800 kilo.
Oh, wow.
Cool the battery or everything maybe 1,000
Okay, yeah.
about 1,000.
Yeah, with the water.
Yeah, with the water.
And have the very big bed now. Very beautiful. You can sleep. You can sleep good at night.
196 and 196.
196.
Yes.
Oh, that's nice. I think compared to most European motorhomes and camper vans, it is like it's just quite something different.
นอนได้สองเอามีสอง
For you, it's okay. Yeah, it's not big enough. There's lots of room. What is the width of this vehicle? How wide? It's like 2 meters. 2 meters wide.
ประมาณ 2 เมตร around 2.
Around 2 meters, yeah.
Yes.
Oh wow. And we have to shower over there. This shower is quite big too. Maybe I can show it to some people. Wow. Look at this. Let's see. So I'm inside the shower now. And I probably have to make the video like this. This is a big shower. I don't know, maybe I should film it like this. Okay, I'm inside the shower now and it feels quite roomy. And I can just stand like this, have my shower, have a toilet, and there have a little. So that's a shower. I am here. And there have a toilet. Oh yeah, I have a sink over there. And a microwave. Yeah, I think is it an oven also, or you can put a microwave convection oven in there, right? Yeah. I think for safety it's better that you don't have any gas, no propane in the vehicle, yeah. Mm-hmm. I think it's better. Mm-hmm. And
Sink?
I have a sink over there.
Have hot and cold water.
Hot and cold water.
Two systems.
And how many liters? Like 70 liters or 80 liters?
The liter for the fresh water like is around 75.
75.
Yes. 75
Okay.
liter.
Yeah, it's enough.
But we also have the option
Yeah.
add more 50 liter.
50 liters more. So you could carry 120 liters
Yes.
with you, yeah.
Yes.
Like, okay, my first impression about this is like, I have been camping since the 70s because my dad built a camper van back then. So nowadays, campers and motorhomes, they don't feel like campers anymore. They too luxurious. They look like all the furniture, everything looks like a house from the inside. And if I am camping somewhere, if I'm going somewhere camping, I want to have the feeling that I'm in a camper van, not in a house. You know, like I could stay at home and have the house feeling, but I need this camper van feeling and that you are camping somewhere. And this vehicle does, like, this is a small version, right? This feels like camping. It feels like proper camping, like you're on vacation, you're camping. And nowadays I find in many countries the manufacturers, they kind of cater to a different type of people, and this is like this is cozy, it is not too big, and it feels like you're camping, like I used to do with my parents in the 80s. And for work I spent about 8 months in a truck or in a vehicle, so this is nice, yeah. So this is a smaller version, and then they have the big one too, with the slide room.
Yes.
I think that maybe this is like already nice. Like, look at this. This is very cozy. If you're with your loved ones or even alone, this is enough room and you have a lot of privacy in here. Or you can open the windows, you can make a meal, whatever. It doesn't have to be like home. I don't want it to be like home, but then there's also the one with the slide room, the slide out.
Yes.
And they don't have these in Europe. It doesn't exist, so yeah. Let's take a look. We're going to the slide room next, I think. That good idea.
Oh, yes, I will show you.
Yep. So this is the latest version of Shore Camper. And this one has a slide room. It is a very, very, very awesome unit, huh? Very nice. Yeah. And it has a slide room, huh?
Yes.
Yeah. And what I think is very special, okay, so what I think is very special is this is a slide out that you can still use when you're traveling, because when it's not extended, look at this. I want to share this with you people. Okay, so this is a pretty big unit and it's designed for a European market, so it's not very heavyweight, under 1 ton. And look at how much space this one has. I think she likes it. Yeah, very well designed. Yeah, you can still sit here and have to slide in. It's got a big fridge, and you can open this fridge 2 ways. Like that. A lot of storage space. You can put jackets or sports gear, everything. It's got a big aircon unit, and it's got warm and cold water. I think this design is very clever. Yeah, very beautiful design. And there have the big toilet and the shower. I think it's not very easy to make a video like this. And look at how much space we got here, Dora. It's incredible.
This is not the make the slide on yet, right?
The slide is not extended yet. This is the slide is inside, so you know what it means. Like if you're traveling, you stop at night, you pull over at a truck stop or a parking lot, and you go sleep inside, and you don't have to slide out. You can use it the way it is, and once you get to a destination, when you go camping somewhere, you can just
Yes, I like this model.
this is for single cab. This is the biggest they have, and I think the advantage of having a single cab is it's lighter. It's not so heavy as a 4-door, and it's got the cooking plate, no propane inside, no gas, nothing. So this is completely off the grid. So this slides out electric. Have to close the door. I think Pia, once she likes it, she's not gonna leave. You're gonna stay inside, nah? I can leave you here? Okay, I'll leave you here. You can stay here, and I will go home. I will go Kaban. Yeah. And this is for the slide?
Yes, this is for the slide.
Yes.
When you want to open the slide out, like
Yeah?
on the slide,
Yes?
the bottom.
Okay, yeah?
This is automatic.
Automatic?
Just press the bottom.
Can you open?
Yes.
Yeah? I'm gonna watch here. Oh wow! How it comes out. So I'm very curious. Like, this already felt like a big camper with the slide in, but now the slide is all out.
ตอนนี้เดี๋ยวน้องก็จะไปแล้ว
How do you like it? Enough room?
ทำไมเจ้าของเขาถึงได้เอากลับมา
อันนี้เหรอคะเขามาฝากไว้ค่ะยังไม่ได้เอาไปค่ะ
ก็คือเขาใช้แล้วแหละ
ใช่ค่ะ
You guys sit down. Wow, this is so much room. Very big now. Look at this bed. Huh.
อีกเก็บ
Now it's very big, yeah. We have this big bed and the shower room. Yeah, good.